Okay, unboxing in a car. This is gonna be fun. Trying to get my hand out of there. Hopefully they're okay from the delay. It's moving. Oop. Come on, flap. Okay, I'm just gonna set this here on so I'll pick it up. Heat pack. Oh, it's still warm. Okay. Let's see what we got. We get it open. Cheetah leopards on this side. Pull it out. Okay. Oh boy, what do you think?
Well, at least it's fun.
You're alive, you made it, even with the delay. That's good. Swan. Place at it. Here we go, some more and tikis.
That one.
I can't see. This is the gargoyle. Oh my god, it's tiny.
It's alive too. They made it.
Okay, we're good, even with the delay. We're good. They're both alive.